As you can tell, guys, I'm breathing heavy. I'm still fighting the stuff that I caught. Okay, let me explain some stuff here. Here's your coffee can if you want to use this. This is aluminum that they use when they side houses for trim work in it. That's PVC coated. You can get whatever you want. If you got Kapton tape, here you go, dollar store tape. Okay, this is one of the first devices I ever built. I made the mold, made all this. Is iron ferrite powder, charcoal. I try to make a pulse circuit here. I try to cause an infinity loop and pull off the sides. Trial and error. That's great. Give me an understanding. These are actually jewel thieves, okay? Ear core. Here's a bigger one. I had no problem running lights in that off these. I actually have them where they're just wire. I can't find them. Okay, I made SSG. This is a solid state one. I made this a long time ago. This is great for desulfating batteries. It worked fine. Another understanding of it. This circuit is very common. This is an oscillating circuit or a pulse circuit, whatever you want to call it, that's fine. This is the cutie pie here. Rodent coil, rodent mathematics. To understand how this works, you got to go look at this stuff. I can't explain it. You have to teach yourself. You have to remain teachable at all times. I know nothing, so every time I learn something or see something, I need to understand it more. All this is similarity. This is what I'm trying to show you. All this is the same stuff that William put in one machine and other ways of going about it, but it's all the same thing. It all works the same way. You just approach it in different ways. Ferrite core. These are transformers. Step down, blah, 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 whatever. I built this before at 8 feet coming out, at one trigger wire, had a split. Hold on, I'll pause for a second. I'll show you. Okay, I took a lot of components off this. All right. There's big resistors on here. These are 110 watt, 120 LEDs to show that it's triggering working. Okay. I had this on with a solar panel feeding in, and I had a thermal runaway. The resistors looked like the resistors were big resistors. They were glowing so hot, I had to actually cut the wires and to disconnect it because it was just too much power at once. So it was my first experience to realize the amplification of stuff. Okay. I just wanted to point that out. So always remain teachable. Always look at something that if you don't understand it, you need to learn it. I mean, everybody has an opinion. That's fantastic. But if you don't understand something, take the time out. Research it. You got the internet. Get a group of people together. You can learn. It's so easy to learn stuff today. When I was doing this, I had to teach myself all this. I'm very lucky because I have a mechanical ability. When I see stuff in my head, I can draw it, I can build it. No matter what it is, I can comprehend it after a while. I start picking it up. But as long as I see it in my head, I can build it. As long as I can take it apart and put it back together in my head. So, I hope you find this helpful. Fantastic. Rodent coil, beautiful. Look up Marco Rodin's work. Fantastic. This is a lot more than you ever could imagine this is. That I can tell you that. There's a lot of possibilities with this one too for a lot of stuff. So, you hear the rooster. So, I hope you find this helpful. And I'm all nasally and clogged, so I hope I'm coming out clear. Thank you.